Ollama is a lightweight tool for running local AI models via terminal and APIs, while LM Studio is a user-friendly desktop app for downloading, running, and testing models with a GUI. Ollama is an open-source tool that allows you to run powerful large language models completely locally on your own computer. It simplifies setting up OpenWeight's AI, enabling you to launch models like Llama 3 or Mistral offline with simple terminal commands. By keeping data on your hardware, it ensures total privacy, eliminates subscription fees, and integrates seamlessly with developer workflows. You can get started completely for free with the free plan at $, or upgrade to the Pro tier to solve harder tasks for $20 Mo or 200 WAR when billed annually. For your most demanding work, the Max plan is available for $100 NAMO to let you run up to 10 cloud models at a time. Reddit users say Ollama is a platform for running AI models locally, not an AI itself, and even small models like Qwen2B work decently for simple tasks on older laptops. Overall, it's best for local AI use based on your hardware power. LM Studio is a free desktop app that lets you run large language models like Llama and Mistral directly on your computer with no coding required. It has a clean, beginner-friendly interface for downloading and managing models. It runs fully offline for complete data privacy and even includes an OpenAI-compatible local server for developers. All core features are free for personal and professional use, while paid enterprise plans are only for large organizations that need advanced user management and dedicated support. One new user described LM Studio as an easy entry point into local LLMs, although they also mentioned hearing mixed opinions from more experienced users, which made them question how trusted it is within the community. Overall, Ollama is better for developers and integration workflows, while LM Studio is better for beginners and visual model experimentation. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.